guys, today we're going to be trying out the Sheglam Skin Magnet High Coverage Foundation Stick. So, I'm really excited to try this out. This is how it looks here. It says if you're looking for a portable and easy to use foundation, you've come to the right place. Our Sheglam Skin Magnet High Coverage Foundation Stick adheres to your skin with magnet-like strength and locks in your look. Featuring a technology-driven formula, our foundation stick provides a stunning natural skin-like finish that won't cake up. Plus, this unique formula is made up of various oils with branched chain structures, providing a breathable and light texture that doesn't melt off your skin. And in case you need to get ready on the go, its portable, compact, twist-to-reveal packaging makes it the ultimate travel makeup companion. Mine is in the shade Porcelain. And yeah, we're just going to try it out. So this is the packaging. Super cute. It looks very similar to the other one that we tried out. And once again, it has the little, the little bag. Also comes with this. It says it has 36 shades. It says high coverage. How does a different particle size interact with each other? One application can cover most facial spots and blemish marks. Magnet-like strength. Magna-fixing techniques use a special film-forming agent processed with special technology. It can help the product better fit to the skin. The foundation uses special processing technology to make its texture more delicate and less likely to dull. Blurring effect crafted with a precision mix of micronized powders for a superior blurring effect. Its advanced formulation seamlessly fills fine lines and pores, ensuring a smooth, flawless complexion. And I feel like the shade range looks okay. So, okay, great. So today I'm going to take the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I'm taking this because what the hell? Okay, great. I'm taking this because I have used this with the Hourglass stick foundation before. Like, I use this when I use my Hourglass stick foundation and it works really well, so I've not used this primer in so long. So yeah, I'm interested because I am a little bit scared of stick foundations. I don't know, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. Also, my eyes to the other Louise If Looks Could Chill palette. I've done a separate video on that, so if you want to watch that, go check it out. Alright, let's get into this. I'm a bit worried about the colour as well, but the colour of the Skinfinite one was fine, so hopefully this one's fine too. Okay, it actually looks super cute. Like, this is the packaging. How sweet is that? And then, it said like it pops up or something, didn't it? Oh, I don't know. Anyway. Cute. The colour actually doesn't look that bad, so let's give it a go. We're gonna do our standard, do one side of the face first. I do kind of want to wet my sponge. I might go and wet my sponge and then I'll be back. Let's get into this. And I never ever know how much to put on, so I'm just gonna like draw a little bit on, I guess. Do you reckon like that much? I guess, I don't know. Okay, it does look a little bit light, which I'm a bit worried about, but that's okay. I mean, I am light, but you know what I mean. Okay. It's actually blending quite nicely, which is great. It is light. I feel like this is the shade I got in the other one though. But like I said, I obviously am light. So, it looks pretty nice so far. Put some up here. This will be interesting actually because I have quite a bit of like pimples going on up there, so it'll be interesting to see how they cover. Not super well actually. Like, I feel like they're still peeking through. Be interesting to see how this stuff over here covers as well. Okay, so this is one side of the face done. Why am I not focusing? Let me actually zoom you in as well. So you can kind of, I feel like it looks a little bit dry around those spots. But that's one side done. Let's finish the face. I have my phone sitting in front of me. It looks nice on my phone. I don't know about real life. Okay. So, I don't know if it is full coverage. I feel like it's a little bit dry up here. Like around my top. It looks alright on my cheeks. It's just a little bit dry around those congested areas. And in my nose and things like that. So maybe if I was to use this next time, I would use a hydrating foundation. This is the mineral primer. So this one isn't like super hydrated. It's also light, so it's not going to cover things as well because obviously it's like a lighter foundation. It looks really nice like on like in my phone. But yeah, I'm just not like super obsessed. Okay, let's just do the rest of my makeup. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer and put that where I normally do. Like, it's definitely not the worst. Just first impressions, it's not my favourite. I feel like when I put the Skinfinite one on, I liked it a lot more straight off the bat. The concealer is blending into it nicely, so that's good. I just feel like it looks like my skin just needs a little bit of hydration. Like, that's my main concern at the moment. Okay, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier powder. This is in translucent. I don't know why I checked. I use this powder like every time I do my makeup. It's not sticking real lovely on my nose, but my nose is one of my problem areas. Let's set the face with some powder. I'm going to take my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder. I've been using this one a fair bit lately and I do really like it. It's one of my favourites. It's an oldie. It's probably honestly needs to go on the bin, but it's still working, so I don't care. I love this powder though. It's really, really nice. And it's like cheap. It's one of the ones that we can get at the chemist or like the drugstore. Yeah, it's very dry in certain spots. But it's still not the worst. Let's spray some setting spray and see how that makes things. This is the Colourpop No Filter. Excuse me. Girl, what the Don't tell me this spray don't work. So it worked the other day. Oh my god, I don't know what was going on just then. Anyway. Literally used it last night, so... Okay. Let's take some bronzer, blush, highlight, and then we'll see how things are going. For bronzer, I'm just taking my NARS Laguna. I've actually made quite a dent in there, so that's funny because I don't even really consider this one my favourite bronzers. When I actually don't know why I don't, because it's actually quite a nice bronzer. It's so weird, like, I feel like I used to have so many staple products, but because like I've just been trying out so many new products and things like that, I don't like even know what my staple products are anymore. Well, they're like staples from like years ago. I love bronzer. I really do. It's lovely. I feel like the setting spray actually helped it a little bit. It's still like around my congested little areas. It's a little bit dry. But the setting spray did help a little bit. Alright. I'm going to take the teeniest amount of blush because I don't want this to clash. I don't even know why I'm taking blush. I don't even need to, but that's all we're doing. Okay. And then highlight. I've been using this the last couple of days as well. This is the MAC Hyper Real Glow, and to be honest, I think I'm just using it because I'm too lazy to get a new highlight. But it is actually a really pretty palette. It's a really stunning highlight as well. It's like one that kind of just melts into your skin. How pretty is that? It's lovely. I don't like this brush, it shears it out too much, and I need a more vibrant highlight. But yeah, it's really nice highlighter. Oh, that's lovely. It's really nice. Okay. We're gonna spray the face again. down. Now I'm going to zoom you in, give you guys a look-see at everything that's going on. So you should be able to see the dry patches around the forehead, especially where all that built up like congestion and stuff is. There's a cheek, nose, chin, other cheek. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera now. I'm going to do my lips and my hair, and then we'll come back and we'll go over final thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished look. I didn't actually put lips on because I forgot that I'm just about to film a lip swatch video, so sorry. Okay, let me inspect. Look, it's not my favourite foundation. Oh my god, have I missed the whole part back there probably? Or is that just how light I am? I don't know. Anyway, it's not my favourite. It's still not awful or anything like that. Like, it's still an okay foundation. I would still wear it, and I'm still going to continue to use it. It's not like that one, the MCO one, where I was like, there is no way I can make this work. I think it still looks pretty with all the products on it. It's just a little bit dry, and I feel like that's why I typically stay away from stick foundations, because they tend to be drier. They just are drier formulas, and I have quite dry skin. I really want to try this again with a hydrating primer or like a glowy primer or something underneath. I feel like the Veil one is good, but this is more like a smoothing primer, I guess. Like, I feel like something hydrating would work really well with this. So yeah, anyway, let me know if you've tried this, let me know what you thought. But yeah, that's it from me today, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!